Well, the first thing to say there is that everyone tells us the ocean is choking in plastic, and that's just a lie. There was a ship with it's been going millions of miles, these ships, for decades. And this ship has to go with a small net 100,000 miles to find one piece of plastic bag. That's 4 times around the planet. So anyone telling you that there's 10 million tons of plastic going into the ocean, that's just wrong. That was an old guess that's been disproven by decades and decades of studies. Millions of miles saved. It's just not true. There is no floating island of plastic. No one's ever taken a picture of it. It's not on the satellite. It's just not a thing. So that's the first thing to say about ocean plastic, that it's vastly, vastly lower than what everyone's been told. And how does it get there? Most of it's coming out of the rivers. They say it's about maybe 6,000 tons a year. It could be more, but it's not millions. And that's because people are dumping stuff in the river. It's litter. It's basically litter that moved. And scientists have proven that too. Well, basically, people find litter here and they say it's pollution, but it isn't really. It was litter that came from there, came through a river, and now I found it here. Pollution, but it isn't. It's the same litter that just moved, you see. So there's a disconnect. We're calling it, even the plastics industry is calling it plastic pollution, when it really isn't pollution. It's litter that moved. It's caused by people and solved by changing their behavior.